Hey everyone, so we're going to do a quick walkthrough of Desmos today. It is an awesome site that goes through all types of really great math tools, specifically graphing activities for students and teachers, and it is free, which we love. So desmos.com, you can sign up, there's a single sign on with Google, or you can sign on with your regular email address, and then it takes you right to this screen and it kind of tells you all the different things that Desmos has to offer and the different partners that it has that it connects to. If you're a teacher, you're going to click teachers. Again, students, they'll get a class code and they can jump right in. You can browse activities and it kind of walks you through different types of math curriculum and different options that they have. You can have your teacher account. You can join your classmates depending on what you have. So if we go to your sign-in account, you can go ahead and just sign right on in and it will connect you, which is fantastic. And you have your screen information that you can see. So we've got some great math curriculum that you can use and different types of math graphing and things like activities for algebra, algebra 2. You can also check out featured collections. So we'll start here with featured collections. It highlights different things. So if we're doing some distance learning or even just regular algebra concepts you need to lay out for your students, they also have them for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade and elementary grades, which is fantastic. They cover functions and equalities, but we'll kind of dig in here and we will go into functions. So these are created by Desmos. There's also other activities that are created by other teachers, and you can create different collections yourself. So let's click on Turtle Crossing. What's great is it'll show you if it's great for mobile, tablets, laptops, what it works best on. This one works best on tablets and laptops. And then it walks you right through the different screens. So if you click on it, you can see then what each screen will look like for a student. It gives like what teachers can do, sample responses, and then it shows the different graphing functions and how students can do it. So they can sketch the graph, they can interact, and it shows you what you need to do. It takes you from slide to slide, so you can preview the whole lesson before you assign it to students, which is awesome. What's also great is you can connect your students right through Google Classroom, so that way you don't have to put a class list in. You can, but you don't have to. There's also teacher guides with your lessons as you go through. There are different rules, graphing things. It'll walk you through the different functions. So again, lots and lots and lots of options. What I also appreciate, if we go back to collections here, we're going to go to featured collections, and they also have different options that aren't necessarily going to be math related. So you can go through and they have check-ins, they have different information that you can do with your students that isn't math related, which is pretty cool as well. So if you go back to their homepage, let's say we want to do starter screens, and this can be for teachers in any different subject area. So if you want to do a check-in with your students, Desmos has it uses graphing, which is great because it ties graphing in to non-math related subjects, but you can just see how are you feeling today? And you can do these different check-ins with your students. So if you get a chance, go through, check out Desmos. This is just a quick overview. There are so many different things you can use. There's also a collection of math tools for those people who need different types of calculators. You can build those in. And again, another collection of resources. When you love a lesson, so let's say that we want to assign this one, we'd click assign and you can drop it right in. That's my class that's there. And you can drop it and assign it already into your classroom. Okay. So check out Desmos. Try it out. Even if you're not a math teacher, you might find some great ways to use it. It translates into all of these different languages, so you can have a lot of options for your students and have some fun with it.